today's video. Today I have a surprise unboxing for you guys. My daughter here, my 4-year-old TT, I have purchased something for her and she doesn't know what it is. So it's going to be a surprise unboxing for my baby and I'm going to see her reaction. So let's get into the video. You ready? What do you think is in this box? Fingers away from you. What do you think is in the box? Oh, by the way, I've already sprayed my box now with Lysol, you guys. So, what do you think is in here? What do you think is in here?
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to take a guess? You do? What do you think? What do you want to be in here?
Taking Play-Doh.
Play-Doh? You think? Let's see. So I'm going to cut it for you.
Do you know what's inside?
Do I know what's inside? Of course I know what's inside. Someone tried to open it, one of my little ones.
I want to see what's inside.
Ready? Come on. I'm going to let you open. See what it is? You gonna show the camera what it is? Show the camera. You gotta turn it up. Yeah, it's upside down. Turn it the right way. It's a what?
Baby dogs.
Yeah, baby doll. Yeah, it's the Kindikids. Kindikids snack time friends. This is what I got her. Got the different color hair. You want to play with it? Sure. Her name is Marsha Mello. Want to open it? Want me to open it for you? Okay. Let me help you with that. Let me help you.
Okay.
So it comes with
Cut this out.
doll. Let's see. You got it? You gonna help me untwist it? Let's see. You got it. That way. Mommy gotta untwist it this way. Okay, I think that got it. And I'm gonna just put the trash in the box. Hold on, baby girl. Let me cut this open too, so you can have everything at once. All right. Okay. So, if I can get her out, I'm messing her ponytails up. They really got this thing secured in here, don't they? You got that one open? Uh-oh. Okay, her hair actually drew my attention to this doll, like with a different color hair. Her blue eyes, her cute little outfit. She has marshmallow hair bows, which is so cute. This is so cute. Looks like my baby girl needed some more baby dolls, so I thought this would be cute. You got it, baby? You clean up your trash. Got it? What did she come with? What's this? A little cupcake, ice cream. I think she's supposed to really eat it or something. You gotta turn it on. Let me see. Miss, how's it supposed to go? Says I can bite my cake pop, squeezy baby Sino. So this can squeeze. Squeeze. And then let's see here. Supposed to be able to. Oh, okay. So don't really. Let's see. Don't really bite it. I thought it did, but don't really bite it. So come with the little cake pop and her little, oh, I see. So look, boo, you gotta squeeze it for her to, let's see, squeeze it for her to get the stuff out. You see it?
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. It's because of the tablecloth. She can't stand up. You see it? Watch. Let's see. You gotta squeeze it up like this. See? Squeeze it real hard. Where's your muscles? You got it? Let me see. Okay, so she really is supposed to bite this somehow. It's out from the wrapper, right? Oh, maybe she's just pushing in her mouth. Well, she has big glittery eyes. You can change her clothes. You can remove her shoes. And you can change her shoes.
In her clothes?
Mm-hmm. And look, there's other ones. You see, this is the one you have. And look, here's one with the blue hair. Oh, she ate it. She ate it. Oh, look at the other ones. There's one with the blue hair, one with the green hair, pink hair. You have this one.
Only that one?
Mm-hmm. You have this one. We'll have to collect them. You like it? You got it? You push it up to her mouth. She took a bite. And you push it back in there to get some more. There you go. So,
can I see it?
You want to show them how to do it?
Mm-hmm.
So she's going to take a bite of her cake pop. See?
I can take a bite of it. Ah.
You ready? Now what does this one do? Can you show them what this one do? How you... Probably you gotta like squeeze it hard like this. Whoa, we lost it. Look. See? You see it? She wanna take another bite? Oh, Wow, she's cute. You like her?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can we take your dress off?
Well, we gotta wait till we buy some more clothes because you don't want to expose her body to the world. You want everybody to see her body. So you gotta keep her clothes on until you buy some more, okay? She's a girl, gotta keep her clothes on, okay? All right, you guys, comment down below if you would like to see more unboxing videos from us. We have more coming. I have one with my 3-year-old coming, and with the rest of my children. Today was our first unboxing video, very short, but I just love this doll. You want to take her hair bows off? Let's take her hair bows off. You got it? Let's see. Whoa. You don't want to leave her ponytails in, so you won't mess up her hair? Let's leave her
It's not
ponytails
gonna
in.
mess up. Yeah. It's not gonna mess up.
Okay. You see her hair bows that feel like marshmallows on it. Feel it. Feel like marshmallows. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe. And see you next time.
Into